Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Cooking with Iron Fitness. Today I will be making pan-seared grilled chicken breasts with steamed broccoli and a side of sweet potato wedges. I want you guys to try it. Let me know how it tastes. Leave your comment down below, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Chicken breast, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and seasons of your liking. First, you want to squeeze a half of lemon and mix well. Now the seasonings: black pepper, ground clove, paprika, red chili pepper. You want to sprinkle some basil, a pinch of salt, garlic, sprinkle some onions, parsley. You want to make sure you mix well. And here you have it, nicely mixed. You want to add some olive oil to keep the chicken moist and mix well. For those who want to just come home and have the chicken ready, you can marinate overnight. So when you come home, you just take the chicken out the fridge and just grill it. Make sure you turn the potato wedges over in between cooking, just to flip it over to make sure it has a nice browning on each side. You want to add some olive oil to the hot pan. You want to add some chopped garlic just to give it some extra flavor. And you want to mix the garlic well until browning. Now you want to add the chicken breast to medium-high cooking pan. Cook chicken breast for 5 minutes on each side. Now your chicken breast is ready to be served. Here you have it, grilled chicken breast with a side of steamed broccoli and sweet potato wedges. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you tried it. Let me know how it tastes. Leave a comment below. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.